Wait. Grab this. Focus. Focus. Unboxing time. Now, this video is going to be of me doing unboxing. As y'all can see right there, in there, in there. Hope I didn't break those. Anyways, black box. Right there. Don't know what it is. These two boxes. That one. And that one. I do know what those are. So, those two. Those two. Old to me, new to y'all. So, which one you see first? Any, meeny, miny, mo? Any, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the tiger by his toe. If you had to let him go, any, meeny, miny, mo. That one's first. Now, see what this is. Now, I'm gonna have to flip this and set it up somewhere so y'all can see the whole view. Be right back. Whatever. Y'all get the gist. This one is grill for the 834. Let me really go put it in. I'm gonna go take it out. Let y'all see it. Bam. Lights. Oh, that lights up. Get it? See it? Oh, it's wonderful. Wonderful. You see the grill. So you know what that is. These could be oh, I hate that sound. Oh. I just smacked myself in the nose. Headlights. Now, I'm not going to take the plastic off here until I get it on the car. I don't want to scratch the lenses like I already did the other ones that I put in before that I did not record. I probably need to turn my TV off because y'all can see what's on the screen in the lens. That's how pretty these are. So, got the gist of that. So, check these out. We are now going to see what's in this box. Wow, that box. Iron walls. Excellent LED bulbs. See what these look like. Another one-hand project. Oh, hey. Yeah. Bulbs. With the little fan. I think what I'm going to do is, before take them out and put them in the car, obviously. Take this one that I showed y'all and put one in. You know, I don't know. Widescreen that thing. Y'all see me better? Probably so. I'm getting there. Do they fit? Try not to mess up. Oh. Dear little baby Jesus. They fit. Yeah, because the one I put on there, now, they're all messed up. They didn't really go in all the way, so I kind of can't put it back in the box. What some of my friends will call jerry rigging. Can't say the other word. You know what I mean. All right. Got those all put. Whatever. Got those all put in. Put that top back on. Well, shucks. There we go. Putting it in there wrong. Ugh. Got that all done. So, what I'm going to do next, this will be in the next video. So make sure y'all go check out that video. When I post it, it will be posted. It will be posted. So turn on post notifications. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And that will be in. That will be in. And focus, focus, focus. Anyway, these will be in. Who's the LED bulbs? Peace.